you all are doing well at home and you all are safe. Children, before our PT1 and your summer holidays, we have studied about the chapter number 4, in that about sorting, matter, material and compound, element. About these terms we have read before summer break. So now we are continuing with the same chapter, but before continuing with the other new topics, I want to revise the previous one of chapter 4, the sorting materials into group. Sorting materials into groups. So children, to revise our chapter, we are I'm showing you the previous module and I'm explaining them, and on those basis, those topic basis, I'm giving you one worksheet. Those question answers you have to do in your notebook. Then we will continue with our new topics, right?
So here's a quick recap. So first we have read about the sorting. What is sorting? The systematic arrangement of things on the basis of certain similarities and differences. Then we have read the example of that sorting, that chef in kitchen, he's very well known about his things because he's keeping them in a way, such way that he can found those things very easily, like on the basis of their similarities and their differences, like all the spices at one place, all the pulses at one place, like this. After this, we have read about the how things can be grouped. So I told you that time it depends on 3 points we have written, that we can group the things on the basis of their how they can be made from. Like an object can be made from different kinds of material, means the things which are made up of materials, which kind of material they are made up of. So first thing, a material can be used to make different things. एक चीज से बहुत सारे different object बनना, एक material से बहुत सारे different object बनना, and different material से एक same object बनना, and एक ही object को बनाने में different materials use होना. Like I have given here example, a bag may be made up of cloth, leather, rubber or plastic. That means एक ऑब्जेक्ट है जो डिफरेंट चीज़ों से बन रहा है. नाउ सेकेंड, द डिफरेंट मटीरियल्स वी कैन यूज टू मेक वन थिंग्स, लाइक प्लास्टिक वी कैन यूज टू मेक टॉयज, बैग्स, चेयर, टेबल एंड सो मेनी थिंग्स. सम ऑब्जेक्ट, थर्ड वन इज विच इज मेड अप ऑफ मोर देन वन टाइप ऑफ मटीरियल, दैट इज एग्जाम्पल. We are taking example of bicycle. There is plastic also, there is metal also, there is sponge also, there is rubber also. So there are, bicycle is made up of different types of material. After that children, what is matter? Why matter came here? Because we have read that different object made up of different material, but how we will decide those different material कि कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट किस मटेरियल से बनेगा, हाउ वी कैन डिसाइड दिस, राइट? सो बिफोर फाइंडिंग दिस आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू सी दैट व्हाट इज इनसाइड द मटेरियल. एक मटेरियल किस चीज़ का बना होता है, एक मटेरियल के अंदर क्या होता है, दैट इज मैटर. एवरीथिंग विच ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस एंड हैज मास इज कॉल्ड मैटर. आई टोल्ड यू दैट टाइम ऑल्सो कि जो भी चीज़ मास, जिसमें मास होता है और स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई करती है, दैट इज मैटर. एवरीथिंग इन द यूनिवर्स मेड अप ऑफ मैटर, क्योंकि हर एक चीज़ ऐसी है जिसमें मास है एंड दे आर टेकिंग व्हाट, स्पेस ऑल्सो. नाउ वी हैव सीन ऑब्जेक्ट अराउंड अस दैट आर मेड अप ऑफ डिफरेंट मटीरियल्स. नाउ व्हाट आर दीज मटीरियल्स? These materials are made up of matter, right? Means everything is made up of matter. All these objects have two general properties that I told you. They all have mass and they all occupy space. Different kinds of matter are made up of different substances. They have different physical state, color, shape and smell, which can be felt through one or more of their sense organ. We all can see around us The different materials are having different shape, color, and not all the materials are same. So after matter, we have read about the composition of matter, children. How matter is composed of. Matter किस चीज़ का बना होता है? So children, matter is composed of very small tiny particles, that is called atom. And previous module I told you about the atom. It is the indivisible smallest particle of any substance. Here I have given you example. Look at your pencil lead. It is made up of material called graphite, which is a form of carbon, and we can break it into small and small pieces, and the possible smallest piece which we will get after breaking it, that would be atom, which we cannot see by the naked eyes, because atom जो होता है वो बहुत ही smallest particle होता है जो हम देख नहीं सकते हैं. So here the smallest possible piece of carbon that you could break the graphite into would be called atom. Atom is the smallest individual particle of matter which cannot be seen by naked eyes. When an atom combines together, they form molecules. So दो atom मिलके क्या बनाते हैं? Molecules. Here I have given example O2 oxygen, nitrogen. In oxygen, two atoms of oxygen. In nitrogen, 2 atoms of nitrogen. Now after atom, there comes element and compounds. An element is a substance that is made up of what? Same types of atom. ठीक है, जो same types के atom से बना होता है, that is called element. Like we have written O2. O2 is an element. दो atom से मिलकर बना है, it is an element, right? There are 118 different elements, right? 94 exist naturally, जो nature में present है, और बाकी सारे मैन मेड हैं, ह्यूमन है, लैबोरेटरीज में बने हुए हैं. राइट चिल्ड्रन, हियर आई हैव गिवन यू सम नेम. हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन, कार्बन, कॉपर, एल्यूमिनियम, आयरन, गोल्ड, सिल्वर आर सम कॉमन एलिमेंट्स. सब्सटेंस फॉर्म फ्रॉम एटम ऑफ डिफरेंट काइंड्स आर कॉल्ड कंपाउंड्स. अभी मैंने आपको बताया लाइक सेम एटम, इफ वी आर यूजिंग सेम एटम आर कंबाइनिंग टुगेदर, दे आर फॉर्मिंग एलिमेंट. अब अगर ऐसा होता है कि डिफरेंट एटम्स एक जगह कंबाइन हो रहे हैं या एक किसी सब्सटेंस को बना रहे हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड कंपाउंड. हियर इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ कंपाउंड H2O. H2O मीन्स वाटर. वाटर किस किस चीज का बना होता है? H2 that is hydrogen and O that is oxygen. So water is a compound क्योंकि it is made up of hydrogen and oxygen atom. Common salt which we are using in our houses, NaCl, that is also a compound because it is made up of Na, that is sodium, and Cl, chlorine. So NaCl is also compound. So I think it will be it is clear to you all what is element and compound and atom. Atom is single individual particle. Element, same kind of atom, when combined together they form element, and when the different types of atom combine together they form compound. Is it clear children? Now different materials are made up of different elements and compound and have different arrangement of atom and molecules. तभी तो हम देखते हैं ना, कोई सॉफ्ट मटेरियल है, कोई हार्ड मटेरियल है, कोई लस्ट्रस है, किसी कोई शाइनी है. These all are because of the arrangement of what? Different what? Yes, atoms and molecules. Right children? Here the line, the distance between the molecules of a substance is called intermolecular space. Means दो मॉलिक्यूल के बीच में, किसी भी सब्सटेंस के दो मॉलिक्यूल के बीच में जो स्पेस होता है, that is called intermolecular space. And the force between the molecules, किसी भी सब्सटेंस के दो मॉलिक्यूल्स जिस बॉन्ड से बंधे होते हैं, जिस फोर्स से दे आर बॉन्डिंग टुगेदर, that is called intermolecular space. So I hope children all we have revised very well whatever we have read about the chapter 4. So before starting new topic of this chapter, we are going to revise with this worksheet. So here I have written some questions, right? and fill in the blanks. But children, one more thing I want to tell you. Here I have written answer also of this question, but promise me one thing. First you will try to do these answer by yourself. As much we have read, just go through the modules, read your books, and then try to do these answer by your own. But if you are not able to get any answer, right, any answer you are finding difficulty, that maybe you are not sure about that answer, or maybe any other reason, so that time you can check answers, right? But first try to do by your own. Thank you, children.